Hello everyone, our next question is find the equation of circle with the center minus 2 comma 3 cutting a chord of length 2 units on the line 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. In this problem we have to find the equation of circle. We have the center but there is no radius. So first we have to find the radius of the circle. For that it is given that the chord of length is 2 units. So we have to use this to find. So given equation of the chord L is equals to 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0 and center of the circle C is equals to minus 2 comma 3, and what else is given is the length of the chord. Length of chord is equals to 2 units. The formula for the length of chord is 2 root r square minus d square, which is equals to 2. The 2 gets cancelled out, so it is root r square minus d square equals to 1. We have to find the radius. So first we have to find the perpendicular distance d from the center to the line of the chord, which is given. So d is equals to the perpendicular distance from the center, which is minus 2 comma 3, to the line 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0, right? So d, as we know the formula, mod a x1 plus b y1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So this can be compared. So the a value is 3, b is 4 and c is also 4, right? This will be our x1 and y1. We need to substitute here. So we'll get d is equals to mod 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 by root 3 square plus 4 square, which is equals to minus 6 plus 4 into 3 is 12 plus 4 by root 9 plus 16. So this is equals to root 12 plus 4 is 16 minus 6 by root 25. So the value of d will be equal to 16 minus 6 is 10 by root 25 is 5. So it is 5 ones and 5 twos. So the value of d is 2. So now we have root r square minus d square equals 1. So we can substitute the value of d as 2 here. So we'll get root r square minus 2 square equals to 1, which is equals to r square minus 4 equals to 1. Right? We don't need the root, so we'll do squaring on both sides. So we'll get r square minus 4 equals 1. 4 goes over there. R square is equals to 1 plus 4. R square is equals to 5, right? Square goes that side, so r is equals to root 5. We got the radius and we are having the center, so we can write the equation of circle now. So the equation of circle with the radius root 5 and center minus 2 comma 3 is given as x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square is equals to r square. So this can be written as, this is our alpha beta, we can substitute here. So minus of minus become plus 2 square plus y minus 3 square equals to root 5 square. Square and root get cancelled. Applying a plus b formula here and a minus b here, will get x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y, and 5 comes over here, so it is minus 5 equal to 0. So it is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, 9 plus 4, and again the minus 5 will be plus 8 equals to 0 is our answer. So next question is find the inverse point of minus 2 comma 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equals to 0. So here we have to find the inverse point, which is nothing but the point of contact only with respect to the circle, which can be given by the foot theorem. Okay, so given circle S is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equals to 0, and given point is p minus 2 comma 3. So we don't have a line here which is passing through the circle, so we have to find the line. So in order to find the line, we have to find the polar. First we will find the center of the circle, which is 2g is equals to minus 4, so the value of g is equals to minus 2. 2f is equals to minus 6, which is equals to minus 3, right? So the center can be given as minus g comma minus f, which is equals to 2 comma 3. Okay, and polar of point p x1 comma y1 to the circles s is equals to 0 is s1 equals to 0. The formula for S1 is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equals to 0. X value of x is x, and here this will be the point given will be our x1 and y1. So here it is minus 2 plus y into 3. The value of g is minus 2 into x minus 2 again, minus 3. The value of f into y plus 3, and the value of c is plus 9 equals to 0. So this is equals to minus 2x plus 3y minus 2x, minus into minus 2 is plus 4, and here it is minus 3y, and 3 into 3 is minus 9, plus 9 equals to 0. So here plus and minus 9 gets cancelled, and minus 3y and plus 3y also gets cancelled. So we'll get minus 2x is minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Taking minus 4 common, so we'll get x minus 1 equals to 0. So we'll get the line as x minus 1 equals to 0. So we'll consider let q h comma k be a inverse point of p minus 2 comma 3. Q h comma k is nothing but the foot of perpendicular from the point which is given p minus 2 comma 3 to the line x minus 1 equals to 0. So the formula is h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So here this is compared to the straight line. So the value of a is 1, b, the y term is not there, so it is 0, c is equals to minus 1, right? And this will be our x1 and y1. We need to substitute, so we'll get h, here it is minus and here also it is minus, so plus 2 by 1 is equals to k minus 3 by 0 is equals to minus 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3 minus 1 by 1 square plus 0 square, right? So we'll get h plus 2 by 1 is equals to k minus 3 by 0 is equals to minus, here we'll get minus 2 minus 1 by 1, right? So this is nothing but minus of minus become plus, so this is equals to 3, right? 2 plus 1 is 3, negative of negative is a positive 3, so we will equate the both the terms with 3 now. So we will get h plus 2 is equals to 3, and we'll get k minus 3 by 0 is equals to 3. So here it is h is equals to 3 minus 2, h is equals to 1. And here it is k minus 3 is equals to 0, k is equals to plus 3. Therefore, inverse point q h comma k is equals to q 1 comma 3 is our answer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.